Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 4 and today we are explaining about Curriculum Merdeka. There are three parts in the Curriculum Merdeka. The first one is learning achievement, and in the learning achievement there are learning objective and learning objective flow. The next one is that we are going to focus about, which is the profil pelajar Pancasila. In the profil pelajar Pancasila, there are 6 phases to it. The first one is the A phase that consists of elementary school class between 1 and 2. There are dimensions to this phase. The first one is believing, fearing God Almighty, and having good character. The second one is self-reliance. The third one is critical reasoning. The first dimension is believing, fearing God Almighty, and having good character. Second one is self-reliance. The third one is critical reasoning. The fourth is global diversity. The fifth creative, and the sixth is mutual cooperation. In the dimension of believing, fearing God Almighty, and having good character, there are elements to it. The first element is religious moral, oneself and human, and there are also nature and the state. The sub element to this element is, the first one is to recognize the main attribute of God Almighty, that He is the most compassionate and merciful creator, and recognize His own goodness as a reflection of God's attribute. The second is recognize the main element of religion, belief, teaching and religious ritual, holy books and saints of God. 3 is accustomed to performing worship in accordance with the teaching of the religion he or she adheres to. The second one is oneself. The supplement is getting used to being honest with oneself and others and having the courage to convey the truth or fact. And the second is have a simple routine that is organized independently and done every day. The third one is humans. The sub-element is to recognize things that are similar and different about themselves and their peers in different ways and respond positively to them. The second is to recognize the emotion, interests, and needs of those close to them and respond positively to them. The fourth is nature. The sub-element is identify various creation of God, and the second is getting used to being grateful for the natural environment and practicing to protect it. The last is the state. The sub-element is to identify rights and responsibilities at home, school, and the neighborhood and their relationship to faith in God. The second is global diversity. There are 4 dimensions to it. The first one is recognizing and appreciating culture. The second is intercultural communication interaction. The third one is reflection and responsibility for the experience of diversity. And the last is social justice. The sub-element to recognizing and appreciating culture is one, to identify and describe ideas about themselves and some groups in the surrounding environment. The second one is to identify and describe the daily practices of selves and culture. The third one is to describe experience and understanding of living together in diversity. The second one is the sub-element to intercultural communication and interaction. The first one is to realize that self and other use words, picture, and body language that can have different meaning in the surrounding environment. The two is to express his or her views on common topics and listen to others' point of view that differ from his or her own in the family and school environment. The third one is reflection and responsibility for the experience of diversity. The sub-element is mention what has been learned about others from their interaction with cultural diversity and in the school and home environment. 2 is recognize the difference of each person or group and treat them as natural. The third one is to identify cultural difference that are evident in the surrounding environment. And the last sub-element for social justice are 1, to make friends regardless of difference in religion, ethnicity, race, gender, and other difference. 2. Identify option based on the needs of self and others when making decision. Third is identify the roles, right, and obligation of citizens in a democratic society. The third one is mutual cooperation. The elements to it is collaboration, caring, and sharing. The sub-elements to collaboration are 1. Accept and carry out tasks and roles assigned by the group in joint activities. 2. Understand simple information from others and convey simple information to others using their own words. 3. Recognize own needs that requires others to fulfill. 4. Carry out group activities according to mutual agreement with guidance and remind each other of the agreement. The sub-elements to caring are be sensitive and appreciative of the people around you, then take simple action to express it. The last sub-element to sharing are giving and receiving something that is considered valuable and important to or from people in the neighborhood. Next, we have self-reliance. The elements are understanding oneself and the situation at hand and self-regulation. The sub-element to understanding oneself are 1. To identify and subjectively describe his or her abilities, achievement, and interests. 2. Reflect to identify his or her strength, weakness, and achievement. The next sub-element are to identify the range of emotion they feel and the situation that caused them, and express them appropriately. Set learning target and plan time and learning action to be undertaken. 2. To take initiative to routine tasks independently under adult supervision and support. 3. Carry out learning activities in class and complete tasks within the agreed time. 4. Dare to try and adapt to the new situation and persist in working on agreed tasks until completion. Next, we have critical reasoning. The dimensions are acquiring and processing information and ideas, analyzing and evaluating reasoning and procedures. The last one is reflecting on thoughts and thought process. The sub-elements to acquiring and processing information are 1. Ask questions to answer their curiosity and identify issues about themselves and their environment. 2. Identify and process information and ideas. The next sub-element is conduct concrete reasoning and give reason in solving problems and making decisions. The last sub-element is conveying what you are thinking in detail. Next, we have the element to creative. That is generate original ideas, produce original works in action, and have flexibility of thinking in finding alternative solution to problem. The sub-element to generate original ideas are combine several ideas into a meaningful imaginative idea or ideas to express their thought and or feeling. The second sub-element are explore and express their thoughts and or feeling in the form of words and or action and appreciate the resulting work and action. The last sub-element are identify creative ideas to deal with situation and problems. Next, we have phase B, which consists of elementary schools class between 3 to 4. In phase B, we have almost the same element, almost the same dimension: believing, feeling God Almighty, and having good character, global diversity, mutual cooperation, self-reliance, critical reasoning, and creative. In phase B, there are consists of the same element, sub-element, and dimension. So we're going to skip this phase B and go to phase C. Next, we have phase C, which consists of elementary school class 5 to 6. In phase C, we have the same dimension with phase A and B, but they have the different element and supplement. We have the first one in religious moral. 1. To identify creative ideas to deal with situation and problems. 2. Recognize the main element of religion or belief. 3. Accustomed to carrying out mandatory worship according to guidance of their religion or belief. Second is oneself. The sub-element are getting into the habit of reflecting on the importance of being honest and having the courage to convey the truth or fact. Two, starting to get used to being disciplined, neat, cleaning, and caring for the body, maintaining behavior and words in all daily activities. The third is humans with the sub-element are one, accustomed to identifying things that are the same and different between themselves and their friends in various ways and responding positively. Two, accustomed to giving appreciation in the school and community environment. The next is nature. We have the sub-element R1. Understand the relationship between one creation and other creation of God. Two, become aware of environmentally friendly and unfriendly action and familiarize yourself with environmentally friendly behavior. Last is the state, to identify the right and responsibilities of the people around them and how they relate to faith in God. Next, we have global diversity. The first element are recognizing and appreciating culture that have the sub-element of one, identify and describe ideas about themselves and different groups in the environment and how others behave and communicate with them. Two, identify and compare daily practices of self and culture with others in different places and times. Three, to understand that diversity can provide opportunities for new experience and understanding. Next, we have intercultural communication. The sub-element are one, to describe the use of words, writing, and body language that have different meanings in the surrounding environment and within a particular culture. Two, to express their views on a common topic and be able to recognize other people's point of view. Listen to and estimate others people's point of view that differs from their own in school, family, and neighborhood situation. Next, we have reflection and responsibility. The sub-element are one, to express his or her views on common topics and recognize others people's points of view. Two, recognize that cultural difference affect understanding between individuals. The last, we have social justice. The sub-element are one, identify ways to contribute to an inclusive, equitable, and sustainable school, home, and neighborhood environment. Two, participate in making choices for a common purpose based on a simple criteria. Three, understand the concept of right and obligation and the implication for their behavior. Next, we have mutual cooperation. The first one is collaboration. The sub-element are one, display action that are in line with the expectation and goals of the group. Two, understand the conveyed information. Uh, information of others and convey information accurately using a variety of symbols and media. 3. Realizing that everyone needs others to meet their need and the need to help each other. 4. Realizing that they have a different role from others or friends and knowing the consequence of their role on the achievement of goals. Next one is caring. The supplement are be sensitive and appreciative of people in the environment, then take action to maintain harmony in relating to others. 2. Understand the reason why others display certain response. The last one is sharing. The supplement are giving and receiving things that are considered important and valuable to or from people in the neighborhood, both known and unknown. Next, we have self-reliance. The dimensions are understanding oneself and the situation at hand. The sub-element are identify their abilities, achievement, and interests as well as challenge based on event experience in the daily life. Second is reflect to identify their strength, weakness, and achievement as well as the situation that can support their learning and development. Next is self-regulation. The sub-element are one, recognizing the influence of other people's situation and events on the emotion they feel, and striving to express emotion appropriately by considering the feeling and needs of other around them. To explain the importance of having goals and being committed to achieving them and explores the appropriate steps to achieve them. 3. Considering selecting and adopting a range of strategies, identifying source of help needed, and taking the initiative to uh, implement them to achieve desired learning outcome. 4. Explain the importance of self-regulation and begins to carry out agreed activities and tasks independently. The 5th, explain the importance of self-regulation and begin to carry out agreed activities and tasks independently. Next is critical reasoning. The element are acquiring and processing information and ideas. The supplement are ask questions to identify a problem and confirm understanding of a problem about themselves and their surroundings. 2. Collect, classify, compare, and select information and ideas from various sources. Next is analyzing and evaluating reasoning. The sub-element are explain relevant reasoning in problem solving and decision making. Last is reflection on thoughts and thought process. The sub-element are explain relevant reasoning in problem solving and decision making. Last we have creative. The first element are generate original ideas. The first sub-element are combine several ideas into a meaningful imaginative idea or ideas to express their thoughts and feelings. Next is produce original works and action. The sub-element are explore and express their thoughts or feelings in the form of works and action, and appreciate the resulting works and action. The last is have flexibility of thinkings in finding alternative solution to problems. The sub-element are identify creative ideas to deal with situation and problems.
In past year junior high school, class 7 until 9, in believing, fearing, God, Almighty, and having good character, global diversity, mutual cooperation, self-reliance, critical reasoning, creative, religious moral. The sub-element is understand the various qualities or attributes of God Almighty as expressed in each religion, holy book, and relate God positive qualities to one's personal attitude, and believe God's words to be the truth. To understand the qualities or attributes of God Almighty present in each religion, holy book, and relate God positive qualities to holy personal attitude, and believe good words to be the truth. 3. Understand the main element of religion or belief and recognize the role of religion or belief in life, and understand the moral teaching of religion. When solved, sub-element is number 1, the brave and consistent in covering the truth or fact, understand the consequences for oneself. 2. Pay attention to physical, mental, and spiritual health by doing physical, social, and worship activities. Human, sub-element number 1 is identifies commonalities with others as the glue of social relationship and embodies them in group activities. Begin to recognize different possible interpretation and perspective when faced with a dilemma. 2. Begin to see things from other people's perspective and identify the goodness and strength of those around them. Nature, spell number 1 is understand the concept of harmony and identify the interdependence between God's creation. 2. Understand the concept of harmony and identify the interdependence between God's various the state, identify the rights and responsibilities of the people around them and how they relate to fight in God. Recognize and appreciating culture. Sub-element number 1 is identify and describe the culture diversity around them and explain the role of culture and language in shaping their identity. 2. Describe and compare the knowledge, belief, and practice of different culture groups. 3. Identify opportunities and challenges arising from cultural diversity in Indonesia. Intercultural communication and interaction. Spelling number 1. Understand similarities and difference in way communication both within and between cultural groups. 2. Compare diverse perspective to understand everyday problem, predict and describe situations of communities that are different from themselves into their own situation in global diversity. We have four elements. Number one, recognize and appreciating culture. The sub-element number one is identify and describe the culture diversity around them and explain the role of culture and language in shaping their identity. 2. Describe and compare the knowledge, belief, and practice of different culture groups. 3. Identify opportunities and challenges arising from cultural diversity in Indonesia. Intercultural communication and interaction. Sub-element number one is understand similarities and differences in way of communication both within and between culture groups. 2. Compare diverse perspective to understand everyday problem, predict and describe situations of communities that are different from themselves into their own situation in local and regional context. Reflection of responsibility for the experience of diversity. Sub-element number one is explain what has been learned from his or her interaction and experience in diverse environments. 2. Confirm and clarify stereotypes and prejudice he or she has about people or group around him or her to gain a better understanding and identify their influence on individual and group in the surrounding environment. 3. Seek the common group of diverse cultural values to solve common problems. Last, social justice. Sub-element number one, compare different actions and practice for improving the school environment that are inclusive, equitable, and sustainable, considering their long-term impact on people, nature, and society. 2. Participate in determining mutually agreed criteria for making choice and decision for the common good. 3. Understand the concept of right and obligation and its implication for their behavior. Next. Mutual cooperation. 1. Collaboration. Sub-element number 1 is demonstrate positive expectation of others to achieve group goals in the surrounding environment, school, and home. 2. Understand information from various sources and convey message with various symbols and media effectively to others to achieve common goals. 3. Realizing that although everyone has their own autonomy, everyone needs others to meet their needs. 4. Aligning action according to their roles and considering the roles of others to achieve a common goals. Next, caring. Sub-element number 1, respond to the social environment in accordance with the demands of his or her social role and maintains harmony in dealing with others. 2. Apply knowledge of various reactions of others and their place in the context of family, school, and peer friendship. Last, sharing. Sub-element is give and receive things that are considered important and valuable to or from others in the wider environment or society, both known and unknown. Next. Self-reliance. Sub-element understanding oneself, the situation at hand. Sub-element explain the influence of his or her quality on the implementation and learning outcomes and identify abilities that need to be developed by considering the challenge he or she face and feedback from adults. 2. Reflect to identify factors within and outside himself or herself that can support and inhibit learning and self-development and identify ways to overcome his or her shortcomings. Next, self-regulation. Number 1, understand various emotions felt and their impact on learning activities and interaction with others, and try appropriate ways to manage emotion in order to support learning activities and interaction with others. 2. Assess the factors, strengths, and weakness that exist in oneself in an effort to achieve learning goals, achievement, and self-development, and try various strategies to achieve them. 3. Understand the importance of working independently and initiative to do so in support of learning and self-development. 4. Identify factors that can affect the ability to manage oneself in the implementation of learning and self-development activities. 5. Develop, adapt, and test different strategies and ways of working to assist oneself in completing challenging tasks. Next. Critical reasoning. The first one, acquiring and processing information and ideas. So number 1, asking questions to compare different information and increase their knowledge. 2. Collect, classify, compare, and select information from different sources and clarify information with adult guidance. The second one, analyzing and evaluation reasoning and procedures. Explain relevant and accurate reasoning in problem solving and decision making. Reflection on doubt and thought process. Give reasoning for what they think and be aware of possible bias in their thinking. Next. Creative. Generate original ideas. Develop his or her ideas to create new and imaginative combinations in expressing thought and or feeling. Next, produce original works and action. Explore and express his or her thought and or feeling in accordance with his or her interests and desires in the form of work and or action, and appreciate and criticize and the works and action produced. Have flexibility of thinking in finding alternative solutions to problem. Trying to find alternative problem solving when the approach taken does not work based on situation identification. In Phase E, Senior High School Class 10 until 11. The element, believing, fearing God Almighty, and having good character, global diversity, mutual cooperation, self-reliance, critical reasoning, creative. First one, religious moral. The sub-element number 1 is understand God present in daily life and relate his understanding of God attribute to concept of mental on earth as God's responsible creature. 2. Understand the meaning and function, the main element of religion or belief in the context of Indonesia. Read holy books and understand the teaching of religion or belief relate to relationship with fellow human in the universe. 3. Perform worship regularly and independently in accordance with the guidance of his or her religion of belief and participate in the celebration of religious holiday. The second, oneself. Element number 1, be brave and consistent in confronting the truth of or fact and understand the consequence for oneself and others. To identify the importance of maintaining a balance of physical, mental, and spiritual health and strive to balance physical, social, and religious activities. Third, human. The sub-element number 1, recognize perspective and emotion or feeling from the point of view of other people or group he or she has never met or known. Priorities, similarities, and appreciate difference as a unifying tool in situation of conflict or debate. To understand the feeling and viewpoint of other people and or group he or she has never met or known. The third is nature. The sub-element number 1 is understand the concept of cause and effect among God creation and identify causes that have good or bad, direct or indirect effect on the universe. 2. Realize gratitude by taking the initiative to solve problems in the surrounding natural environment by proposing alternative solutions and starting to implement the solution. Last, the state analyze roles, rights, and obligations as the citizen understand the need to prioritize public interest over personal interest as a form of fight in God. Next. The university, the first one, recognize and appreciating culture. Sub-element number 1 is understand how culture changes over time and in concept locally, regionally, and nationally explain self-identify from the national culture. To understand the dynamic of culture, which include everyday understanding, belief, and practice in impersonal and social contexts. 3. Understand the importance of preserving and celebrating cultural tradition to develop personal, social, and national identity and begin to make effort to preserve culture in daily life. The second one, the intercultural communication and interaction. Element number 1 is explore the influence of culture on language use and he able recognize risks in communicating across a culture. 2. Explain the assumption underlying a particular perspective. Predict and describe the feeling and motivation of communicate different from one own difficult situation. The third one, reflection and responsibility for the experience of diversity. This is element number 1. Critical reflect on the image of different culture groups encountered and how to respond to them. 2. Confirm, clarify, and demonstrate rejection of stereotypes and prejudice about image of group and ethnic identify. 3. Identify and raise issue of respect for culture, diversity, and equality. The last, social justice. So element number 1, identify problems that exist around them as a result of choice made by humans, as well as the impact of this problem on economic, social, and environmental systems, and seek solutions that consider the principles of justice for people, nature, and society. 2. Participate in determining mutually agreed criteria and method in making choice and discussion for the common good through a careful and open brainstorming process with the guidance of educators. 3. Understand the concept of right and obligation and their implication in expression of behavior. Begin to actively take attitude and step to protect the right of other people or groups. Next.
Di sini. Your connection is unstable, bro. Your connection, yo. Di aku, oh ya di aku belum ada suaranya ya. Udah.
Di aku belum, Cok. Di aku belum, Cok. Wait. Di aku belum, sumpah.
Di aku udah record ini.
Di kau udah.
Udah.
Ya udah lanjut lah. Tapi aku nggak tahu nih, di aku belum nih. Bentar.
Iya, tunggu.
usah benar. Mutual cooperation, three element collaboration, caring, and sharing. Collaboration, the sub-element is alike one-on action with those of others to carry out activities and achieve group goals in the surrounding environment and encourage others to work effectively and achieve common goals. 2. Understand information, ideas, emotions, skill, and concept expressed by others by effectively using various symbols and media and utilize them to improve the quality of interpersonal relationship to achieve common goals. 3. Demonstrating group activities that show that group members with their respective strengths and weaknesses need each other and can help each other to fulfill needs. 4. Sharing roles and harmonizing action within the group and maintaining alignment of action to achieve a common goals. Caring. So number 1 is responding to the social environment in accordance with the demands of their social role and contributing according to the needs of the community. 2. Use knowledge of the cause of reason for others to show certain reaction to determine appropriate in action to show that others show the expected response. The last sharing makes effort to provide something that is considered important and valuable to people who need help around the place of residence. Next. Civilian element. The first one, understanding oneself and the situation at hand. Sub-element number 1, make a realistic assessment of abilities and interests and personal development priorities based on learning experience and other activities. 2. Monitor learning progress, predict personal academic challenges that will arise based on experience to consider appropriate learning strategies. Self-regulation. Number 1, understand and predict consequence of his or her emotion and expression and design steps to manage his or her emotion in the process of learning and interaction with others. 2. Design appropriate strategies to support the achievement of learning, development, and self-development goals by considering his or her strength and weakness, as well as the situation at hand. 3. Criticize his or her effectiveness in working independently by identifying things that support and hinder the achievement of goal. 4. Commit and maintain consistency and achieving the goal he or she has planned to achieve the expected learning and self-development goals. 5. Making a new plan by adapting and modifying. Next. Critical reasoning. The first one, accurate and processing information and ideas. So number 1 is asking questions for clarification and interpretation of information and finding out the consequence of the information. 2. Identifying, clarifying, and analyzing relevant information and prioritizing certain ideas. Analyzing and evaluating reason and procedures. Listen with a rank argument in receiving on conclusion or discussion. Reflection on the entire process. And the last, explain the assumption used, is aware of the tendency and consequence of bias in his or her thinking and tries to consider different perspectives. Next. Creative, the element first, generate original ideas. Connect his or her existing ideas with new information or ideas to generate new and imagine combination of ideas to express his or her thought and or feeling. Produce original work and action. Explore and express his or her thought and or feeling in the form and work. Hilang.
Aman internet.
Hilang. Creative and generate original ideas, connect his or her existing ideas with the new information or ideas to generate new and imaginative combination of ideas to express his or her thought and or feelings. Produce original work and action. Explore and express his or her thought and or feeling in the form of work and or action and evaluate them and considers their impact on others. Last, have flexibility of thinking in finding alternative solution to problem. Generate alternative solution by adapting various ideas and feedback to deal with situation and problems. Next.
Nah,
Udah.
go it. Oke. Udah, guys.
Udah. Ini udah belum sih?
Udah.
Ngomong
Gak apa-apa.
anjir.
In PSF, Senior High School, Class 12. Next. We have 6 elements. The first one, living, fearing, conformity, and having good character. Second, global diversity. The third, mutual cooperation. Fourth, self-reliance. 5, critical reasoning. And the last, creative. The first, religious moral. The sub-element number 1 is applying his or her understanding of the attribute of God in his or her ritual of worship, both personal and social. To understand the organizational structure, main element of religion or belief in the context of Indonesia, understand the contribution of religion of belief of the world civilization. They perform worship regularly and independently and realize the importance of worship and actively participate in religious or belief activities. Oneself. This number 1 is realizing that religious and social rules are good rules and become part oneself so as to be able to apply them wisely and contextually to perform physical, social, and worship activities in balanced manner. 3. Teman. The number 1, identifying problem together, providing alternative solution to break difference by prioritizing humanity. To understand and respect the feeling and viewpoint of other people and our groups. 5. Nature. Number 1, identifying.
Saya. Apa ulangin dari yang apa sebelum yang kau baca?
Ya.
Dari
Nature.
elemen. Ya, ulangin nature.
Element nature. Sub-element number 1, identifying environmental problem in their place of residence and taking conscious steps that can be taken to avoid damage and maintain the harmony system in their environment. 2. Realizing gratitude by building awareness of caring for the natural environment by creating and implementing solution to existing environmental problems. The last, the state. Exercising right and carrying out citizenship obligation and being accustomed to prioritizing public interest over personal interest as a firm fight in God Almighty. Next. From global diversity and recognizing and appreciating culture, the sub-element number 1 is analyze the influence of local, regional, national, and global group membership on identify formation, including one own identify. Begin to internalize self-identify as part of the nation culture. 2. Analyze culture dynamic that include understanding, belief, and daily practice over a long span of time and broad context. 3. Promote cultural exchange or collaboration in an interconnected world and demonstrate it in behavior. The two, intercultural communication and interaction. That's number one. Analyze the relationship between language, mind, and context to understand a culturally diverse communication. To present a balanced view on issues that might lead to disagreement. Position other and different cultures equally and be willing to help when others are in difficult situations. 3. Reflection and responsibility for the experience of diversity. Thus, number one, critically reflect on the impact of the experience of living in a diverse environment on behavior, belief, and action toward others. 2. Critique and reject stereotypes and prejudice about image or group, ethic, identity, and take the initiative to invite others to reject stereotypes and prejudice. 3. Know the challenge and benefit of living in a culturally diverse environment and understand the importance of intercultural harmony in living together harmoniously. The last, social justice. Number one, initiate action based on identified issues to promote justice, economic security, ecological sustainability, and democracy while avoiding long-term harm to people, nature, or society. 2. Participate in making choice and decisions for the common good through careful and open brainstorming independently. 3. Understand the concept of rights and duties and their implications for expression and behavior. Begin to seek solutions to dilemmas related to the concept of right and obligation. Next, collaboration. The first one, collaboration. The second one, build team and manage cooperation to achieve common goal according to predetermined targets. 2. Listening, actively understand, analyze information, ideas, emotions, skill, and consent conveyed by other and group by using various symbols and media effectively and using various communication strategies to solve problems to achieve various common goals. 3. A learning group society so that group members can help each other to meet individual and group needs. 4. Aligning and maintaining the action of staff and group members to meet each other and accepting the consequence of their action to achieve common goals. The second, caring. The sub-element number one, responding to the social environment in accordance with the demand of one social role and contributing according to the needs of society or to produce a better situation. 2. Taking appropriate action so that others respond as expected to complete work and achieve goal. The last, sharing. Striving to give back is considered important and valuable to people in need, the wider community. The country, world, from self-reliance, the first, understanding oneself and the situation at hand. Number one, identify strengths and challenges in the learning, social, occupational context of his or her future choice. 2. Reflect on feedback from friends, teachers, and other adults and information about his or her chosen career to analyze the characteristics and skill needs support or hinder in his or her future career. Second, self-regulation. The number one, control and adjust emotion appropriately when facing challenging and stressful situations in the context of learning, relationship, and work. 2. Evaluate the effectiveness of the learning strategies he or she used, as well as set specific learning, payment, and self-development goals and devise appropriate strategies to deal with the challenges that will be faced in the context of learning, relationship, and the job he or she will choose in the future. 3. Set personal priorities. Take the initiative to seek and develop specific knowledge and skill for future goals. 4. Consistently take action to achieve his or her future career and development goals and seek and take alternative action when obstacles are encountered. 5. Adjust and begin to implement his or her personal development plan and strategies by considering the interests and demands of future learning and work context and seek to overcome challenges encountered. From critical reading, the first acquiring and processing information and ideas. Number 1, ask questions to critically analyze complex and abstract issues. 2, clarify and critically analyze complex and abstract ideas and information from various sources. Priorities and the most relevant ideas from the result of clarification and analysis. Second, analyze and evaluating reasoning and procedures. Analyze and evaluate the reasoning used in seeking and finding solution and making decision. The third, reflection on the process. Explain the reason that support his or her thinking and think about views and that might contradict his or her thinking and change his or her thinking in necessary. From creative, generate original ideas. Generating the first ideas to express one thought and or feeling, evaluating those ideas and considering all potential risks from various perspectives, include ethical and humanitarian values when implementing those ideas. Second, produce original work and action. Exploring and expressing one thought and or feeling the group work and or action, evaluating them and considering their impact and risks on oneself and the environment using various perspectives. Last, have flexibility of thinking in finding alternative solutions to problems, experimenting creatively with various options to modify ideas in response to changing situations. Next. The last assessment, the one diagnostic, the second learning, and the third summative. This is from the all learning module.